गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा। हाँ जी बोलो। वेट 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 34 5 and 3, yes, M5 and 3. Okay. Can you tell me after how many decimal places will it terminate? आपने बताया कि m की वैल्यू 5 है और n 3 है. So out of these two, maximum is 5. So decimal will terminate after 5 places. So it will terminate after 5 decimal places. Got it? Do this next question. Can you tell me the decimal form of this? Yes, Dhavnesh. Yes, exactly right. तो जब आपने डेसिमल फॉर्म में चेंज कर लिया तो आप ये बता सकते हो आफ्टर हाउ मेनी डेसिमल प्लेसेस इट इज टर्मिनेटिंग 3 and it is terminating after 4 decimal places. Now find the next. HCF of these two number is 4. LCM is 24. Find A. Means you have, these are the two numbers. So you will use the formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Any doubt in this question number 2? If you have any doubt, I can do it for you. अगर आप कहते हो तो मैं करके दिखा देती हूँ. 13/80 make the factors of the denominator, that is 2 raised to power 4 into 5. The maximum power is 4, so it will terminate after 4 decimal places. You will multiply it with 5 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 3. 5 cube is 125. So you will multiply these two number and it will be 10 raised to power 4. And after multiplication, you will get 1625 upon 10,000, that is 0.1625. Okay, so M here is 4 and N is 1 earlier, but now it has been changed. So if the question is still this step, the value of M is 4, N is 1. Start next question and tell me the answer. I'm writing next question. Till then you can complete these two. Yes, Prabgun, Hanji. Wait, let me check. Answer are 12. Yes, answer is 12 for this question. Okay. Find Q and R for integers A and B, that is 4 and 19, which satisfy A is equal to BQ plus R. Why I have written this? Why I've written this? Actually, Q and R are the question and remainder which satisfy this Euclid division algorithm, and for the integer A and B means you have to apply the division algorithm on A and B, where A is 4, B is 19, means after dividing you will tell me the quotient and remainder. Hurry up, do this and tell me the answer. We have done the assignment. In an assignment we have done one question. 20 boys and 15 girls are there that are divided into n groups, so that each group has 5 x boys and y girls. Find x, y, n. So this question is also given here, so you please revise those questions, revise the questions of assignment thoroughly. Answer of the previous question, who will tell me? Is it answer of fourth question, is it rational or irrational? Yes. When you multiply them, you will apply the formula, that is a plus b whole square, because the brackets are exactly same. Yes, Khushi? Yes, because it is a plus b whole square. So answer, can you tell me the answer? What you are? Yes, 9 plus 4 root 5. 9 plus 4 root 5. अगर बाकी सारे रैशनल है, एक भी irrational है, then the sum, difference, product, all are irrational. The complete term will become irrational. Solve this and tell me Q and R, quotient and remainder. Hurry up, hurry up. Do it this question 5 and 6. Hurry up, beta. Yes, Khushi. Quotient is, how quotient can be 0? आप एक सेकेंड लेट मी चेक. कहीं मैंने, एक मिनट जरा, रुको 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 रुको. हाँ, क्वेश्चन 0 and remainder 19. Okay. If P and Q are two consecutive natural number, find HCF of P and Q. Fifth question. Fifth question. Quotient is 0, remainder is 19. In next, minus 4 is the 0. Put value of x as minus 4 and tell me the value of k, what you are getting. That is, two values of k we are getting as 9, 9, 9. Only one value. K is 9. Only one value we are getting. Yes, Asheen? Okay. If P and Q are two consecutive numbers, consecutive number, you can take any example 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the HCF? Yes, who will tell me the HCF? HCF will be 1. HCF of two consecutive number, like if I take LCM example 2 and 3, if you divide 2 with 3 with 2, 2 ones are 2, 1, 1 twos are 2. So the HCF is 1. So always keep it, remember that HCF of two consecutive number will always be, yes, yes Davnesh, okay, okay. Do this question, find these three parts, sum of the zeros, sum of the zeros of taking product of two zeros at a time, then product of three zeros. Yes Arman. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, उसमें 4 को डिवाइड करना है 19 से, वही कह रहे हो ना? हाँ, तो 9 डिवाइड नहीं, सॉरी उल्टा लिख दिया, 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 19. तो ये सॉल्व तो होता नहीं है, तो हमने सीधा कर दिया. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 0 आ गया, 19 आ गया. डिवाइड नहीं होता ना, डेसिमल में आएगा. तो आपने तो सिंपल है क्योंकि जो डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम है उसमें डेसिमल में नहीं देते, तो सीधा नेचुरल नंबर लेना था, तो इसलिए क्वेश्चन इज 0 एंड रिमाइंडर इज 19. ये करो, इसमें फॉर्मूला लगाओ, माइनस बी बाय ए, सी बाय ए माइनस डी बाय ए, माइनस प्लस माइनस. Hurry up. Can you tell me the meaning of this? Yes, Arsheen. Okay, tell me the answer. Yes, Arsheen. Answer is 2. Yes, yes, Arsheen, bolo. 2, this is 5 by 2, and this is minus 3. Check your answer. Start the next question. Alpha, beta are the zeros. Find the zeros of this polynomial by middle term splitting. Then you can use those zeros here for getting the sum and their squares. Hurry up. You can do this in this manner also, or you can take LCM, you can use the sum of zeros, product of zeros there. But better to find the two zeros and write them directly and take LCM. That will be, I think, much more easier than the previous method. Hurry up, solve this and tell me the answer. Imani is there in the class. Imani, try to give the answer of this question number 9. Done? Yes, Garima. Wait, let me check. What you are saying, minus? And second answer is? Okay, good. Mishti, can you give answer of this next question? Mishti. Yes, anyone else who can give me the answer of this question? Mishti, Chiyank, Diksha, Janvi, Tanushka, Simarleen, Saharsh, Parth Anand, अर्पित. अर्पित आप क्लास में बिल्कुल आंसर नहीं देते. Actually, your marks will depend upon your response in the class. If you are not giving a response, how I will come to know that whether you are getting me or not? Yes, Mishti. Answer of this question 10. One thing is missing that you have not spoken is Very important thing you have left out. That is K. This K is very important. You are not understanding the importance of this number. Actually, K represent that this same type of polynomials you can find in finite polynomials. That's why K is here. This K is your real number. So it's compulsory to write this, and before writing this you should write the formula K times x square minus sum of the 0 into x plus product. Solve this next question and tell me the value of A. Chiang, next answer you will give me. Chiang will answer next question. Hurry up. Diksha, roll number 11, 12, Kritika, Jyot Saroop, Japleen, Prabnoor, Rahul. Why you people are not giving response, beta? Do this, hurry up. Find alpha and beta from this. As you know that this alpha beta are the zeros of this. So what you will do? What you will do for this? Yes, Khushi. Yes, Khushi, beta bolo. Ninth question. Please, can you speak up the statement of that? Yes, Khushi. You are already unmute, beta bolo. एक मिनट. X square plus 3x plus 6. हाँ जी. क्या हुआ इस क्वेश्चन में? ये साइन ठीक डाला है आपने? साइन चेक करो इसका कि जो मैंने लिखा था वो यही था. क्वेश्चन की पूरी स्टेटमेंट बोलो. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर किसने दिया था? Garima, can you tell me is the statement correct? I'm not getting the same question actually. एक मिनट, let me check. हाँ, करेक्ट है, करेक्ट है. इसमें एक्चुअली बेटा मुझे भी नहीं लग रहा कि मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग हो रही है. एक सेकेंड. ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac नहीं हो रही बेटा मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग हो ही नहीं रही है इसमें. ठीक है, तो आप इसमें क्या करोगे? आपने अल्फा बाय बीटा प्लस बीटा बाय अल्फा निकालना ना. ये निकाल लेना. आप इसका एलसीएम ले लो. अल्फा बीटा अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर हो गया. ये क्या हो गया? अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा अपॉन अल्फा बीटा। ये हो गया, ये पता चल गया, इसका फॉर्मूला है ये। You will get the sum of zeros from here, that is -3 and alpha beta is 6, and put these values directly. Some of the time it's not possible to factorize the equation. Actually it can't be factorized, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर आपको क्वाड्रेटिक पता हो तो यहाँ पे जो d है ना डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वो नेगेटिव आ रहा है, तो ये इसकी जीरोस आ ही नहीं सकती, सॉल्व ही नहीं होता। ये कुछ और मेथड है दैट वी विल डू इन द 4th चैप्टर। तो इसलिए अभी के लिए कोई मेथड नहीं है, तो इसी से जाना पड़ेगा, आपको यही करना पड़ेगा। पुट सम ऑफ zeros and product of zeros here, you can get the value. What you will do in this question, find a for which alpha beta are the zeros of this satisfying this given condition. What you will do here is, again you will proceed in the same manner as we have done in the question number 9. You will get the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 6 and alpha beta is equal to 8. 3 alpha plus 2 beta is your 20, but here we can't use these two values exactly. So what you will do? Yes, Chayang? Yes, exactly. It's -16. So what you will do here is 3 alpha you will take as it is. You can take the value of beta as 6 minus alpha. Now solve this and get the value of 1, 0, that is alpha. If you will get alpha and beta, then if you will put alpha beta here, you can directly get the value of A. So I'm rubbing this relation, and this is 3 alpha plus 12 minus 2 alpha is equal to 20. Alpha is equal to 8. Now if I put this alpha here, your beta is -2. Is it so? Alpha we have got, beta we have got, and the product of alpha and beta is A. So A is equal to 8 into -2, that is -16. आप बेटा कई बार ऐसा होता है क्वेश्चन से नहीं भी क्लियर होता कैसे करना है, अब स्टार्ट करो। आपको जो इस इक्वेशन के बारे में पता है, फैक्टराइज होता है कर दो, फैक्टराइज नहीं हो सकता था तो सम ऑफ द जीरो प्रोडक्ट तो है ही ना, और ये एक रिलेशन ये भी था, यहाँ से सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट कर दो। धीरे धीरे आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि कैसे कंटिन्यू करना है। इफ द जीरोस ऑफ दिस are double the zeros of this, बच्चे I think we have done this question earlier also in the assignment. आपको कहता है इसकी जो जीरोस है वो इसकी डबल है, पहले आप इसकी जीरोस निकाल लो बाय मिडिल टर्म, जो आएगी इसका डबल कर देना, डबल करके वो जो जीरोस आएंगी वो आप यूज करके सम और प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल इक्वेट कर देना, अल्फा भी पी और क्यू आ जाएंगे। आपके पास पॉलिनोमियल है 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 3, फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट दैट इज 6। आपको +6 चाहिए, बी केयरफुल, आपको 6 चाहिए। अब देखना जरा, अगर मैंने ये लिख दिया तो आपके पास तो प्रोडक्ट -6 आ रहा है, बट वी वांट +6, सो दैट मींस दीज टू फैक्टर्स आर रॉन्ग। यू विल गो फॉर 3x and 2x, and these two terms are not factorized, can't be factorized. So write the factors in this manner so that we can take easily common from the pairs. So this is your 2x, x minus 1, 3 common x minus 1, x minus 1, और पहले जैसे कर लेते ना इसमें से, तब भी बात एक ही है, ठीक है? आप करके देख लेना, आपको समझ आ जाएगा, सेम है। x क्या आ गया 1, यहाँ पे आ गया 3/2, 2 zeros आ गई। अब आपको कहता है जो ये न्यू पॉलिनोमियल है ना, ये वाला x स्क्वायर प्लस px प्लस q, इसकी जीरोस जो है वो इससे डबल है। जीरोस ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल आर, इसका डबल कर दो, इसका डबल कर दो, 3, 2, ये जीरोस आ गई। अब आपने पी क्यू निकालना है, पी है क्या सम ऑफ जीरोस माइनस पी, दैट इज 5, सम ऑफ जीरोस, तो यहां से पी आ गया आपका -5, पी क्या आ गया -5, और क्यू क्या है, दैट इज प्रोडक्ट, प्रोडक्ट कर लो, क्यू कितना आ गया 6। इज इट ओके?